How can a bank ensure your favorite brands are more sustainable? See how Raj Overseas partnered with DBS to bring sustainable and environmentally friendly solutions to the people.
Raj Overseas began in 1939 by my grandfather. We started off as spinners of woolen yarn. Today we are a 100% vertically integrated company, spread over 70 countries worldwide and 250 customers globally. Environmental compliance and social accountability is at the core of the Raj values, and it is my responsibility to ensure that we remain relevant and continue in this line for the foreseeable future. This would mean growing our sustainability initiatives to keep Raj future ready. The products that we make at Raj are very labor intensive, but there are also processes involved in the manufacturing that have very high energy consumption. For example, spinning, dyeing. That's why it's very important for the company to remain environmentally conscious and sustainable. But with the right finances, the know-how and the mindset, these challenges can always be overcome.
And that's where DBS came in.
We found the right partner for finance with DBS. They were very willing to come and learn about our industry. They did a deep dive with us and were very eager to provide the finance to help us make these positive changes. And I think that was very important.
With timely financing, Raj Overseas was able to install solar panels, energy-efficient motors, as well as water conservation technologies to conserve resources and minimize carbon emissions. Through this partnership, Raj Overseas reduced their greenhouse gas emissions by an impressive 451 tons over 12 months in Raj Woolen Industries.
Global companies have worked hard to make a robust supply chain for environmentally sustainable products, which everyone is gravitating towards. To have a manufacturing base that keeps these values intact is something that is very attractive.
While Raj Overseas has made great strides in becoming sustainable, they aren't done yet.
At the end of the day, a cleaner world starts with cleaner manufacturing. It's important to stay versatile, to keep evolving and remain sustainable. And as long as we continue to work with DBS, I'm confident we will get there.